Hello everyone, it is Jonathan Akazash here and welcome here to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about Hima Chaudhary. Yes, she is talking shits about Naga people from last some days, and it has been a YouTube trend from so many long hours than it should not be. So anyhow, the things I want to talk about first of all is, guys, I'm very sorry that I'm not putting any makeup today because I'm not in mood, and I cannot put makeup when some peoples are talking like this kind of racism works in while they are so-called public figure. Yes, ma'am, how are you a public figure that you don't even know about what things you are talking? You do not do any research that if you give hatred to someone, they are going to fight back to you. You do not know that people are going to definitely see your talking and they definitely going to give your opinion, and when they give their opinion you fight back to them as a so-called public figure. No, that's not gonna happen. Here is my opinion, listen to it. Yes, we can understand that you are very much upset about the animal lovers who are getting hated or devastated by the people who have been eating dogs. Yes, the dog eating thing have been banned in Nagaland from some days before. And how can you even say that Nagaland is just a new part of India? How can you say that? You don't know that it is a part of India from 1963? You didn't know that? How can you say that it is not a old? When you are saying boycott Nagaland, you are saying cut off a part of your own body. Our country is a huge body that each and every district and state in it are included in that. I'm talking very slow while I'm talking this because you should understand what I'm talking about. I know when you talk those things you haven't did any research on whatever you have talked about. So I have done a small research for you what I'm going to say. This message is not only for you, this message is also for them who do not know what is Nagaland or what is Northeast is and how much it can be useful for our country. So now listen to it. I'm reading this, so my focus is on other side, so please be there. Nagaland is a mountainous state in northeast India bordering Myanmar. It's home to diverse India, so home to lots of tribes, different tribes. There is more than 200 tribes, I guess. And also this part of India also is a big capital of the Kohima. Yes, and they have fight for us in World War II as well when they have suffered. And you are saying this place is not much as good as a a metro city. Who give a shit about metro city, guys? This northeast or Nagaland, also known as Switzerland of the northeast India, who wanted to make it a metro city, man? Nobody does, because nobody cares, because it should not be like that. If it became a metro city, how it became a Switzerland of northeast? You don't have any idea, no? Now you listen to me. You are talking about lots of hatred. I know that you are also... Do you eat chicken? Do you eat fish? Eat eggs? Then you do not have any rights to talk about those people who are eating dogs, because the fish and also the other chickens and everything, they are also a part of animal kingdom, and you should not be eating those if you are an animal lover. And please do not use your two fingers, like this on social media when you are talking, because sometimes this finger or this finger can show to mean a lot of different things. I have been working with so many of Northeast people in my total career. From last 7 years, I have worked with Nagaland people, Manipuri people, Mizoram people, Mijao people, and also the people from Assam. So I don't understand how can you even think about is talking about some people who are working in here in the other states. Man, we also come from other states to work in other places. You cannot say the work they done that is not good just because they are going from one state to another to do work. They are earning from their own talent and they are eating from their own work. It is their work. Leave them alone. And in this time of quarantine, coronavirus, the world crisis is going on, and you are talking this shit to just put them down. Do you know how much problems they can face? Do you have any idea how much problems they can face just because you are talking a so-called public figure? And yes, you are protesting about animal lovers or loving animals. When do you protest when a Northeast people get killed in the road of our states? When do you protest then? Do you give shit about them? Or you are just a racist person like others? Oh yes, I heard that you called them chinky as well. I know how much you respect them. Just saying sorry to social media or talking about shits is not going to help. Ma'am, please change whatever thinking you have. Okay? And guys, I just want to tell you that please show some love to your own country. Northeast, Nagaland and the states of Northeast part, they are all our own country, man. Show some love to them as well. Yes, definitely they come to our place to work, but that does not mean we disrespect them. It does not mean we should not help them. Yes, they have eaten dog meat in past, but not all the Nagaland or Nagas eat dogs. There is some different tribes who eat them, and that also for just to survive. Do you understand the word survive? How much helpless they can become, that they have to cut their own friend and they have to eat? That much helpless they are. They have to survive. That's why they were eating that. From government it have been banned, and we don't have to talk about it again and again when we do not have to motivate others to kill someone. Please understand. And from my words, if I have hurt you in any way, then I'm sorry that I am not sorry for that. This video in a very violent moment, I am so scared of my friends who are staying in other states of the India, how much problem they can face for this shitty person who are talking about them. I'm just very scared that they are going to face the hardest time of their life just because she have told this kind of things to social media. I think she should be banned from social media. That is my opinion, and that is the last thing I'm going to talk about it. And please comment down below what you guys think, and if you can, please subscribe, or if you don't, I don't care guys, I don't care. Just show some love and respect to your own country and be responsible.